After 800 years of silence, Iceland's Fagradalsfjall Volcano erupted in 2021, leaving the world in awe. But this was no ordinary volcanic eruption. It turned into a global sensation. How did this sleeping giant become the ultimate tourist attraction and a viral hit? It all started on a quiet March evening when the ground near Reykjavik began to tremble. Fagradalsfjall, a volcano that had slept for centuries, roared back to life. The eruption wasn't violent or devastating, it was slow, almost welcoming. A river of molten lava flowed, and people quickly realized they had front-row seats to a natural spectacle. As the lava glowed, the internet lit up. Social media platforms were flooded with jaw-dropping footage, from fiery lava streams to time-lapses of the flowing magma. Drone shots captured the beauty and scale like never before. Fagradalsfjall wasn't just a volcano, it became an influencer's dream, a perfect combination of danger and beauty. Unlike many eruptions, Fagradalsfjall allowed people to get remarkably close. Families hiked up to the site, with some even roasting marshmallows over the heat of cooled lava. Scientists called it a tourist volcano because of how safe it was for visitors. It became a global bucket list destination overnight. But beyond the beauty was a fascinating scientific event. Geologists were baffled by the nature of the eruption. It stopped, started again, and evolved, offering a unique opportunity to study the deep volcanic forces at work. The Fagradalsfjall eruption wasn't just a show, it was a window into the planet's fiery core. Today, Fagradalsfjall's lava has cooled, but its impact remains. It drew tourists back to Iceland after the pandemic and reignited the world's fascination with nature's raw power. The volcano may be quiet again, but its story is far from over. If this volcanic wonder amazed you, check out our video about the hidden secrets of Venice's Rialto Bridge, another marvel waiting to be discovered.